Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate streaming service trial, quick setup step by step clearly. To begin the trial activation process, first, choose the streaming service you want to try. Visit the official website of that streaming service. If you prefer, you can download the app from your device's app store. Once you're on the website or app, look for the sign up or start trial option. Click on that option to proceed. You will likely be prompted to provide your email address. Enter a valid email address and create a password for your account. Next, check for any promotional codes if you have them. If you do, enter the code in the designated field. After entering your information, click on the Continue or Sign Up button. You may now need to enter your payment details. Keep in mind, some services require credit card information even for a trial. Reassure yourself that you can cancel before the trial ends without charges. Fill out the payment information accurately. After that, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Click on the Final Confirm or Activate Trial button. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation email from the service. Open your email and follow any additional instructions if provided. Now return to the streaming services platform. Log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you should see that your trial is active. Start exploring the content available during your trial period. Enjoy your streaming experience and make the most of your trial. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.